If you are paying 5 different subscriptions just to make simple marketing visuals, you're probably crying into your morning coffee looking at your credit card statement. You have one tool for images, another tool for videos, and a third tool for talking avatars. It feels like you're funding an entire research lab just to run a simple online business. VisualSpark AI claims to replace 10 expensive monthly subscriptions with one simple app that works right from your phone. Let us dig into the real features and see if it actually delivers on that promise. Hey, Kamal from testedapps.com here. I've spent over 6 years testing hundreds of digital marketing tools and software apps. Most of them promise you the moon and end up delivering a fancy dashboard with 0 results. Today, you're getting a completely honest review, a look at the hidden catches, and 0 marketing fluff. If you decide to pick up this tool through my link below, I have put together an exclusive bonus package. My custom bonus bundle includes high-converting video scripts, client outreach templates, and practical SEO traffic strategies designed to get you real results fast. All the details and claim links are waiting for you inside the video description below. VisualSpark AI is an all-in-one cloud studio and mobile visual generator. It's designed specifically for affiliate marketers, freelancers, content creators, and local agency owners. The main promise is to let you produce professional 4K images, cinematic video clips, talking avatars, and product ads using simple text commands. You do not need graphic design experience, expensive video editing suites, or a powerful computer. You can even send a short message through Telegram on your smartphone and have a finished visual ready to use in seconds. The software runs on a simple 3-step process that anyone can follow. Step 1. Enter your idea. Open the Cloud app or send the message directly inside Telegram. Just describe the character, product scene, or video clip you want to build. It's easier than ordering takeout on your phone. Step 2. Let the AI visual agent do the heavy lifting. The system picks the right underlying engine and generates your visual asset automatically. There's no complicated prompt engineering and no technical setup required. Step 3. Download and monetize. Save your finished visual to your device, publish it to your social media channels, or deliver it to a paying client. Boom, you're ready to drive clicks and collect payments. Here are the primary features that actually move the needle for your business. First is the multi-model visual engine. Instead of logging into 5 different websites, you get image creation, video generation, background editing, and style transformations in a single dashboard. That saves you countless hours of workflow friction. Second is mobile Telegram integration. You don't have to sit locked at your desk all afternoon. You can generate promo graphics and reels while waiting in line at the grocery store. Third is the built-in talking avatar creator. You can take any portrait photo and turn it into a speaking spokesperson with natural lip movements. This saves you hundreds of dollars that you would normally spend on freelance voice actors and on-camera talent. Fourth is the commercial license included right out of the box. You can sell visual assets to local businesses, e-commerce stores, and clients on freelance platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, while keeping 100% of the money you earn. Let's look at the actual numbers, because the monthly software math gets wild very quickly. A standard Midjourney plan costs between $10 and $30 every month. A dedicated AI video tool like Runway or HeyGen easily runs $20 to $50 every single month. Add a graphic design subscription and an image upscaler, and you're bleeding over $100 every 30 days. That's over $1,200 every single year. VisualSpark AI costs just $17 as a one-time payment on the front end during this launch window. You pay once, skip the recurring monthly invoices, and keep your software expenses extremely low. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Create a cinematic product video for my luxury perfume brand. Okay, upload it to all my social media platforms. Okay, now create a premium product image for the same brand. Uploaded it.
Hello, and welcome to this quick demo of VisualSpark AI. This is your VisualSpark AI main dashboard, your complete creative workspace. With Visual Agent, simply tell it what you want to create. VisualSpark handle the visual creation for you. Need inspiration? Pick a ready-to-use prompt and start creating instantly. And here's what makes VisualSpark even more powerful. Access 100+ AI models and versions, all in one place. Choose the model that fits your idea, and create. Same product image? Just describe it. VisualSpark creates a ready-to-share image. Need a social media ad? Describe it. Your complete ad is ready to preview and download. Want an AI avatar to review and promote your product? Just describe it. Your avatar video is ready.
This Indivos watch is all about timeless elegance and precision. With its automatic movement, premium leather strap, and stunning open-heart design, it feels truly luxurious.
And the best part, VisualSpark automatically publishes and shares your content across all your social media platforms, so you can reach your audience effortlessly. You can create any visual, anytime, directly from your phone. No need to sit in front of a computer or spend hours on complicated tools. Simply connect your Telegram bot, describe your idea in one command, and let VisualSpark handle the rest. Free use cases. Explore powerful AI use cases and turn your ideas into professional content in just a few clicks. VisualSpark gives you multiple AI-powered ways to create content. Image to video, text to video, and image to image. Transform your visuals in countless ways. Change the scene, change the outfit, change the style, bring images to life. And VisualSpark does the rest. One image, endless possibilities. Transform, reimagine, and bring your creativity to life in countless styles. Everything you create stays organized inside My Creations. Access your previous work anytime. Download it, share it, use it. And these aren't just AI experiments. With Marketing Kit, one brief gives you 6 platform-ready creatives, including Instagram, Facebook, flyers, banners, and posters. Just enter your idea and generate a complete marketing kit in seconds. And VisualSpark gives you access to 100+ state-of-the-art models for images and videos. Hover over any model or click to get started. Create content for your own business. Create visuals for clients. Create products, promotions, and marketing assets. Create for yourself. Create to sell. One visual studio. Endless visual possibilities. Welcome to VisualSpark AI. Create, use, share, sell.
What if you could send one simple message from your phone and turn your idea into almost any visual you can imagine? Talking AI videos, realistic 4K images, cinematic clips, AI fashion showcases, fantasy worlds, movie posters, AI avatars, product promo videos, viral reels, and hundreds more. Even ready-to-sell visual assets, all from one simple Telegram message. No complicated software, no design skills, no hours of editing. Just tell VisualSpark what you want and watch it come to life. Until now, creating professional visuals meant jumping between different AI tools, one for images, one for videos, one for transformations, one for talking avatars, different platforms, different interfaces, different subscriptions, and every time a new AI model comes out, another tool to learn. But today, there's a simpler way. Visuals are the lifeblood of every online business. Good words can convince, but attention-grabbing visuals actually sell. Because the goal isn't just to create another visual, it's to create something people stop and look at. Introducing VisualSpark AI, the all-in-one AI visual creation studio that turns one simple command into finished, ready-to-use visuals. Now, imagine you need a product creative, a cinematic video, a talking character, a social media visual, or an entirely new visual concept. You simply tell VisualSpark what you want. Create a cinematic product video for a luxury perfume brand. And just like that, your visual is ready. Turn a photo into a new scene. Turn a photo into a talking video. Turn reality into anime. Turn an image into cinematic motion. Put a character into a completely new world. Ordinary becomes attention-grabbing. But there's more which makes VisualSpark even more powerful. You get access to 100+ AI models and versions, all in one place. Google VEO, Google Omni, Flux, DALL-E, Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, Nano Banana, Seedance, Imogen, Kling, Runway, and many more. Plus 70+ visual use cases and styles, so you're not locked into one look, one model, or one way of creating. You simply choose what you want to create, and VisualSpark gives you the tools to bring your imagination to life. And you don't even need to sit at your computer every time. When you're on the go, simply send one Telegram message from your phone. Describe what you want, and VisualSpark creates it for you. One message, one idea, one finished visual. And it couldn't be simpler. Step 1. Enter your idea. Use the app or send one simple Telegram message. Step 2. AI creates it. VisualSpark uses the right AI model to generate your visual. Step 3. Download, use, and sell. Use it, share it, publish it, or sell it to clients. This is where things get really interesting. Businesses already pay for social content, product creatives, ads, e-commerce visuals, branding, thumbnails, promotional content. Now you can create those visuals yourself in minutes. Create for yourself. Create for clients. Create to sell. So the only question is, will you keep jumping between different AI tools and subscriptions? Or will you bring your entire visual creation workflow into one powerful studio? VisualSpark AI. One command, one studio. Endless visual possibilities. For a limited time, you can get VisualSpark AI at a one-time low price with no monthly fees or hidden costs. Pay once and enjoy lifetime access. And to make this a complete no-brainer, you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. Try VisualSpark AI risk-free, and if you're not blown away, you get every penny back. Plus, when you grab your copy today, you'll unlock exclusive bonuses worth over $2,000, 100% free. But only if you act now. The future of visual content is here. The opportunity is now. And the next success story could be you. Get VisualSpark AI today and start creating.
Here's a complete funnel breakdown, so you know exactly what to expect after checkout. Front end, VisualSpark AI Special at $17. This gives you core dashboard access and the Telegram bot, but it caps you at 20 visual generations per month. OTO 1. VisualSpark AI Unlimited for $67. This removes the monthly generation cap, gives you unlimited renders, and speeds up your processing times. If you plan to create content daily or sell to clients, this is the most critical upgrade to get. OTO 2, Done For You package for $77. This gives you pre-made prompt packs and marketing assets. You can safely skip this and create your own prompts. OTO 3, AI automation for $67. This adds auto-scheduling and posting features for social media workflows. OTO 4, Profit System for $37. This includes monetization case studies and extra video training. OTO 5 Business Accelerator for $47. This contains client contracts, proposals, and pricing templates. OTO 6 Agency License for $197. This lets you create sub-accounts for your clients and team members. OTO 7 Reseller License for $67 to $97. This gives you full affiliate commissions across the entire funnel. OTO 8 White Label License for $297. This allows you to put your own logo and custom domain on the software. My recommendation is to grab the $17 front end along with OTO 1 Unlimited if you want heavy daily output. Skip the rest of the upsells to protect your budget. I put VisualSpark AI through my standard stress test inside the lab. I sent several detailed prompts through the Telegram bot interface directly from my phone. The image rendering was clean, and the automatic background remover handled complex edges without messy artifacts. The video motion generation took about 60 seconds per clip, which is standard for cloud-based rendering engines. It's an extremely convenient workflow for producing rapid short-form social content without opening multiple browser tabs. Now for the honest reality check you need to hear. This software is not an automated magic button that drops cash into your bank account while you sleep. You still need to put in the work to find clients, build traffic funnels, and publish your content consistently. Also, keep in mind that the $17 front-end version has a strict limit of 20 generations per month. High-end AI rendering costs money to run on cloud servers, so the vendor uses the front end as a low-cost entry tier. If you want heavy daily production, you'll need that first upgrade. Imagine sitting down in the morning and knocking out an entire week of social media content, product mockups, and client promos before your breakfast is even ready. No subscription fatigue eating away at your profit margins. No steep technical learning curves holding you back from your progress. That's the kind of practical speed this platform delivers to everyday creators. The low one-time pricing is only available during this short launch window, so make sure to take action today. Click the link in the description below to secure your discount and claim all my custom bonuses. Have questions about the features or the funnel? Leave a comment down below and I'll help you out. Hit the like button if this review gave you real clarity, and subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point software breakdowns. Kamal from TestedApps.com here. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.